my god, what is this? Must be a shark.
Ouch, it hurts, let me go.
A mermaid? So beautiful. I'm not dreaming, am I?
You're fishing for me. Let me go.
No, a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. I will bring you home and keep you carefully like a treasure.
Pinky! Pinky! No one is allowed to take my lover without permission. Pinky! Pinky!
Welcome to my channel.
Oh no. Yes. No. Oh yes.
Which pair to choose now? Red yellow couple. Red or yellow?
Yes. Open yellow box. Wow!
Purple. Gray. Red. Blue. Sprunki minigame. Challenge 1. Turn the pages to find the correct answer on each page. Who is this? Sky.
No!
The correct answer is gray. Next calculation. Perform the calculation 5 plus 5, 2 is equal to how much? In an operation that contains both multiplication and addition, multiplication is performed first. Then do the addment. The final result is 9.
Yes!
Choose the correct spelling. What is the name of this animal? Crab.
Yes! Yay!
Who is this?
No! Yes! Open red box.
Wow is an elephant. Challenge 2. Throw rings at the monster's head on this side. Whoever throws the most rings wins. Orange or green?
Open orange box. No.
brush to soak water into the paper layer to reveal the hammer shape, dig and take the hammer.
Oh, no, no!
No, 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 no. Open green box.
Handsome.
Wow! Hello. Oh, wow!
Rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first. Shoot the opponent off the field to win. Who will be the winner? Let play. Rock, paper, scissors. What comes out? This comes out. Beautiful rock, scissors. Hammer wins.
Yes! Yay! Yay! Yes!
Red win.
Open the pink box. Wow!
Each picture has a different number of pieces. Find and assemble them to complete the picture. Let play.
Oh, wow! Open the blue box.
Red, a person with a fit body, ripping muscles. Red, a person with a fit body, ripping muscles. Two people stand on either side of the bank, each holding an end of a rope. They take turns rolling the dice. The higher the score, the closer the rope is to their side. Whoever gets the rope completely to their side first wins.
Let's go!
I told you, you should measure your strength. Stay down there and play with the fish. I'm going.
Let me go.
Stand back.
Let me go. I don't want to be here.
No! Once in a lifetime opportunity! I will treat you like a treasure! Who are you? How dare you come into my house?
Give me back Pinky.
Who are you? Go away! She's mine!
I am Sky, the fiancé of Pinky, lover of the sea. Open the door, or else...
Oh, why is it crab?
Go away? Pinky, I come to pick you up.
You're finally here. I thought I would never see you again. I'm here alone. I am so scared.
From now on, I will not let you out of my sight for a second. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.